Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we have a very special unboxing video for you guys. This is an affiliate partnership with Timex. They sent us this very beautiful Timex Marlin chronograph watch with the 40mm case and the leather strap. As you can see, reference number TW2W10100. I will leave a link in the description below so that you can go and check it out on their website. So guys, without any further ado, I'm going to take off this white cardboard protection, and as you can see, we have the Timex box, a very nice and simple Timex presentation box. I'm going to take off the cover, and as you can see, we have the watch, which is covered with this material in order to protect it during transit. And as you can see guys, this is a very beautiful green dial Timex Marlin, as I mentioned, with the 40mm case. As you can see, it comes on this brown leather watch strap with the Timex tag. We have the signed Timex buckle right here. So far I would say that when you open the box, this is a very beautiful watch. I'm going to also remove the protection on the dial so that you can see the full watch crystal and also the beautiful green dial. So let's do that. As you can see now, we can genuinely see the beautiful dial, a very beautiful chronograph. As you can see, it also features a date complication here. The pushers and everything seems to be stainless steel, so a very nice presentation. Here we have the manual for the Timex model. As you can see, everything that you need in several languages. So I'm going to take the watch out. So guys, this is the watch. As you can see, the seconds hand is not ticking because we have a plastic protection right here underneath the crown, and we need to remove this in order to be able to push the crown in, and then we are going to be able to see the watch tick. So let's do that. A very nice click, and as you can see here, we have the sub dial here at 6 o'clock, which is for the seconds hand. So the big seconds hand would actually be from the chronograph. So as you can see, we have one sub dial here at 9 o'clock, one at 3 o'clock, and one at 6 o'clock. The date is featured here, somewhere in between, I would say 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock. So something really unique and cool. And then we have these hour markers at 3, 9, and 12 o'clock. All the details on the dial are silver tone, matching the silver tone stainless steel case. We have the hour markers, the watch hands, everything is silver tone. I really like the fact that 3, 9, and 12 o'clock stand out, and we do not have a 6 o'clock right here. It also features these numbers on the outer part of the dial, which is for the tachymeter function, for those nerds out there that want to, let's say, see the speed in miles or kilometers per hour, something really cool. When we turn the watch around, we have a very beautiful case back, a screw down back, designed and engineered by Timex. Also, we have a plastic cover, so plastic protection right here. I'm going to remove it as well. So very, very nice and shiny. When it comes to the leather strap, this is a very nice one. So it is more of a premium quality that you find on more expensive watches. So something really nice from Timex. As you can see, Timex right here. And also we have more information about where it was produced, in Minnesota, USA. Then we have a cool feature, and that is the quick release. This means that you can easily interchange between the straps. You can also place an order and take a few extra straps in case you want to pair it with a black strap or another brown leather watch strap. So that is something really nice. Also, the buckle is signed by Timex, something that they have used for a long time. The watch is powered by a quartz movement, so you can see that straight away when you push the watch crown, and you can see this tick. We have the chronograph function, we have the green dial, then we have the stainless steel overall case finishing. As you can see, the back, the pushers, the crown, the case. Something that I really like about this watch is that it has this domed watch crystal, which is also acrylic, something that we are used to when it comes to vintage watches, to Timex watches. So this is something really within their DNA. So I like this very nice touch. Also, the stainless steel is polished, so as you can see, it has these very beautiful surfaces, very nice reflections. The green dial is something really spectacular, so it looks far better in person compared to the video, so I'm not quite sure it will do justice, but I would say that this is a very beautiful watch so far. So you have also 50 meters of water resistance. We can also see the chronograph, how it works, so you do not have the regular ticking that you can find on most chronograph quartz watches. So this is a very nice touch. Then I can stop it, and then I can also press the second pusher in order to reset it. So this is really something really cool and more premium compared to basic quartz watches that you can find out there. Here we have the date window that you can adjust using the crown. Once again, a very nice and subtle date window. I really like it. And then we have this very nice strap, I would say more of a racing style strap, so very nice finishing overall when it comes to the aesthetics of the watch. Now guys, I'm pretty sure that you are also interested to see how this watch looks on the wrist, so let's check that as well. And this is how it looks on the wrist. It is very comfortable. The leather strap feels very nice on the wrist. Something that I really like about this watch is that it has this interesting green dial when you look straight at it, and when you look from the side it has a darker tone of green, something really interesting and that I'm pretty sure many of you are going to love. The watch strap feels very nice on the wrist. I really like that. It feels very sturdy, so very nice and premium quality when it comes to the strap, and it has this sporty look, something that I really like, but also elegant because it has this polished surface. I love the domed watch crystal. So guys, so far I am really impressed with the watch. They also have the blue dial, but I was drawn to this green and I'm really pleased with the choice that I've made. So guys, this was the unboxing video. I'm going to wear it for a few weeks and then I'm going to make a follow-up video, share my thoughts about the watch, the quality, the chronograph, the leather strap, everything that I like and I don't like about this watch. So far I am really impressed with the quality, with the looks of it. Also the strap, this is maybe the best strap that I have seen so far from Timex, from all the Timex watches that I have seen along the years. So a big up for that, and I really like the dial design and the dial color. Let me know guys what you think in the comment section below. Once again, you can find the watch in the box description below and also in the pinned comment, so make sure to check it out. And if you enjoyed this type of content guys about watches, vintage watches, watch unboxing videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel guys, and I'm going to see you on the next video.